Put your patriotism on display with this 4th of July 4 stenciled sign project from
DesignerStencils.com.
First, mask off the background using frog tape. Give the background a couple of coats of Americana Titanium White acrylic paint. Now take your antique starred stencil and position it inside the first frame. Use frog tape on either side to hold the stencil in place. Next, use small pieces of tape to mask off portions of the design that are close to the stars you'll be painting first. Thoroughly shake your bottle of primary red Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. After soaking the bristles, remove excess paint first by wiping the brush on the edge of the plate, then by swirling the bristles on a stack of paper towels. Apply the paint in numerous light coats using the same swirling motion. Once finished, place this frame aside to dry. Repeat the process for the S of the Statue of Liberty stencil. Next, stencil the text of the Liberty and Justice for All using the red paint. Do the same for the of text of the 4th of July stencil. Back to the star sign, remove the masking pieces of tape and reapply to isolate the next couple of stars to be painted. The next color to be stenciled is primary blue. Paint the next couple of stars using the same technique as you did earlier with the red. Next, stencil the U and the A of the Statue of Liberty sign. Fill in the small stars of the Liberty and Justice for All design. Now complete the 4th and July text of the next sign. Next, remove the masking pieces of tape from the star sign. Now it's time for the 3rd and final color, Desert Turquoise. Stencil the remaining elements of the star stencil, taking care not to overlap the other already painted stars. Carefully remove the tape and peel the stencil straight up to reveal your first completed sign. Next, finish up Lady Liberty herself on the USA sign. Stencil the laurels to finish off the Liberty design of the 3rd sign. Lastly, paint the fireworks elements of the 4th of July stencil. Your signs are now complete and ready to celebrate our independence.
For more tips and ideas, visit DesignerStencils.com today.